Welcome to a day in my life. I like to start my day with a hot cup of coffee. Then I like to plan my day and the rest of the week. It makes it easier when I see it on paper, everything that I have to do for the day. So after I have my breakfast, I like to go on a walk. Usually I've been doing like 1 mile walks, and then I'll do some type of like squats, sit-ups, and things like that. So I'm gonna do that, and later on I want to see if we can get into the pool because our building pool is open. So I'm trying to get over there and get Grace into the pool and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's see if we can do that. Before the pandemic started, I used to go to the gym every day, but now I just take walks with Grace in the stroller around my apartment complex. I'm not running, I'm just walking. My goal is to at least walk a mile every day. So I just got done with my workout session and we're heading to the pool. Let's go. We had the whole pool for ourselves. Grace had so much fun. Honestly, I think I'm gonna get her swimming lessons because she's not scared out of the water, and that kind of freaks me out. So we made it back home in time for nap time. It's around 1, so I'm gonna put Grace down for her nap. And oh, I like my hair this way. I did a little, pull myself together because I know I'm gonna be vlogging today. And yeah, I'm gonna put her down for her to nap. Then I'm going to work a little on my shop. I've been so behind on orders. Not behind on orders, behind on social media. Like I haven't been into social media like that. Like this week has been so off for me for that. But I need to do that. I'm also going to work on my bridal shower. It's kind of weird. I'm throwing my own bridal shower. I don't know if that's how weird that is, but I don't have like a party to throw me a shower, so I'm just gonna get my favorite ladies in my house and just have a little brunch moment. But I'm out of breath. Oh my god. But I need to plan that out. I'm gonna work on that. I need to order my dress and work on the menu, and also I need to work on wedding stuff because as of today I only have 31 days to go. It's getting real. It's crunch time. So I need to work on a little bit of wedding stuff and on the bridal shower stuff. Plus I have to work on my social media stuff for the store. So a lot of things to catch up. I also want to clean this floor because it's been a few days. And yeah, let's put this baby for a nap and let's get to everything else. I normally have my lunch while Grace is napping. Today, I decided to have a chicken salad. Here I'm showing you how easy it is to cut chicken with the scissors. If you're a mom, you already know this trick. And this is how my salad came out. So it's already 5 p.m. Grace woke up crying. The only thing she wanted to be is like on top of me. If not, talking to my mom on the phone, but my mom had to do something else. Like she saw the mall, so she couldn't be on the phone. So I resorted to buying the movie Trolls, the World Tour one, like the newest one. And that's the only way she's been able to just sit down and not cry. Because everywhere I put her, everything I tried, she cried. So yes, it's a fun day in Toddler World today. Are you happy now? No, you're not happy still? I got you the movie and I gave you ice cream. Oh, cranky pants. So I put up a question on my Instagram stories, like where do you buy your clothes? I put 2 store options and y'all suggested Pretty Little Thing. I need a dress for my bridal shower, so that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully I find something that I like. So it's already 8 p.m. I did the night routine for Grace, the shower and everything. If you want to see how our night routine goes, I'm gonna put it somewhere here. But yeah, we just did that. I'm going to make dinner. Brian is here, but he's picking up a package from me. And yeah, just gonna make dinner. I'm gonna show you how to make a bean burger. So let's get to cooking. I normally use black beans for these burgers, but feel free to use any beans you have. I put them in the blender with all the seasonings you would regularly season your beef. And I blend it until it gets kind of mushy. I then add around 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And then I put them in the pan for about 4 or 5 minutes per side. Once I flip it, I put a slice of cheese so it can melt. I am not a vegan, but I really enjoy this recipe. Okay, so Brian, it's not a huge fan of my bean burger recipe. Let's see if you like this one instead. It's hot.
Too hot? I don't get a bun?
No.
I want a burger.
Just taste it. Jesus Christ. What's it taste like?
Garlic. Yo, this woman loves garlic. Yo, I've never met a woman. Yo, we need something in this meal. Garlic. Yo,
What do you want me to do?
I know.
I don't know how to cook without garlic.
Adios. There's other elements besides garlic.
I don't know how to cook without it. Like, how do you season a meat? Like, you need garlic.
Yo, basil.
Basil is like for other stuff. Like, you need garlic in your meat.
Cilantro.
Mi amor, pero it doesn't taste good.
No, it does taste good. Tastes like garlic.
But like, if other people make it, they can adapt the flavor.
No vampires are in this house.
Listen to me. If other people make it, they can adapt the recipe.
No,
but like, is it good?
It is
the
good.
Texture and everything. Like, you can season it to your taste, right?
I legit want to take this burger that looks like kind of a burger.
It wasn't supposed to be a burger for you.
Mira,
It was just a
I'm
taste.
talking.
Okay, sorry.
You asked me for the fans. I'm gonna tell all the fans. I want a bun. I want to put some ketchup, some mustard, some cheese, and I want to eat it like a burger. But it is good.
After everybody went to bed, I stood up for like an hour or two finishing some things. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to follow me on my social media. I see you in the next one.